Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to update Windows Security, also known as Windows Defender, to ensure your computer stays secure and protected. First, look at the bottom right corner of your screen for the shield icon. This represents Windows Security. Double-click on the icon to open it. Once it's open, you'll see the Windows Security window. Click on Virus and Threat Protection. Here you can perform a quick scan, but today we're focusing on ensuring your security updates are up to date. Scroll down and under Virus and Threat Protection Updates, you'll see an option for Security Intelligence. It will show you the date of the last update. To check for the latest updates, click Protection Updates. Next, click Check for Updates. By doing this, you'll ensure that Microsoft Defender has the most recent definitions, making it more effective at protecting your computer. That's it! If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.